Did you know baby elephants suck their trunks like human babies suck thumbs? Yep, it's how they soothe themselves. Ducklings, they can swim just hours after hatching. And they always follow mom like little fluffy soldiers. A newborn panda is smaller than a stick of butter. But don't worry, they grow up to be chunky bamboo munchers. Goat babies, called kids, can jump within a day of being born. Yep, those tiny hooves are built for mischief. And baby sloths? They cling to their moms for months, just hanging out, literally. Baby animals. Proof the world still has pure magic.